Hi everyone, so I have made these 4 little journal kit packs, whatever you want to call them. So you get a journal, you get one of these, you get 6 tags. They all the journals have slightly different covers, but they're all the same inside. These vary with the tags inside them, and you get a set of 6 tags. I'll show you them in a minute. Okay, so these will be listed in my coffee shop if you're interested. Right, I'm going to sort these so that I can then pair them up. Okay, so that you'll get that. I'm not going to show the tags all the time because they will be the same. So you get 6 tags. These are all stamped, obviously coffee dyed. It's a heavy paper. It's not quite cardstock, but it saves on bulk. So them, I'm going to try and put them all back neatly. So you get 6 of them. What do they measure? They measure 2.5 by 5 3/4. Okay, then you get one of these, which is just like a little, you could actually put that into the journal if you wanted to, but you've got a selection of bits and bobs in there. So this is made out of some paper from ARTYmaze, and I believe all these tags are actually ARTYmaze. They've all been backed onto coffee dyed paper. All the sentiments are different in each one, and this is from, they are from what are they called again? Positive tags and quotes or something like that. ARTYmaze, and this is ARTYmaze from Build a Cluster Tag Kit, and this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. This here is from TaylorMade Journals. It's an ephemera piece there, and like I said, that could be popped into the journal, or you can have it as a floating pocket, and that goes in there. Right, and then this one, so I'm going to bundle them up together now, so that will go with this journal. I think the paper is from Pink Monarch, and this is this image here is a freebie on my coffee shop. We've just got a little topper there. Butterflies are from ARTYmaze. I think that's ARTYmaze as well. A little bit of crocheted trim and some bling, and as you can see, it's all been stitched. They're blank inside. There's 32 pages front and back. I've done a little bit of stamping, and that's about it. That paper's ARTYmaze. All the papers have been coffee dyed. So all the journals are the same inside, so I don't need to show you them all. It's just these little packs I'll probably need to show you with each one. Little flip there and here. Their flips can be taken off and turned into pockets if you don't like them. Same with that. You could take that off and then turn that into a belly band if you didn't want the flip. And that is that. So I'm going to put that and one of them in there. So that's that one. Set that to one side. And then you get this one with that and that. Not showing you inside there again because it's exactly like the other one. We have that tag in there and that one. Little bit of fabric on them, and that's a little bit of twine. Not twine, it's linen thread, and these are all the same in them. So that's all from, they're from, who did I say that was from? TaylorMade Journals. The tags are all from ARTYmaze. I've had some nice thunderstorms here today, which has now made the air quality rubbish. And the tags, so you get the 6 tags in there. They are all exactly the same. That's that one, and then we have this one, favourite image, and again that's just all the same, and we have that one with it. And that, because that is just the same. Butterfly tags are all just slightly different. So I hope you're all having a great weekend and enjoying it, doing whatever you do at the weekend. I wanted to have a barbecue today, but the weather's very unpredictable, so we're having don't know what we're going to have. I'm going out shopping in a minute. See what we can find. We've got the mother-in-law, father-in-law coming round, and I've got my son and his son here today as well. Well, they're here every weekend because my son lives there, but I'm going to go out and find something nice to eat for tonight. So that's that one. So, and again, they're all the same. That one goes in there. Isn't she cute? I love that hair. It's just so cute. So there we have it. Little journal kits, starter kits. Could be great for a gift, I don't know, just something to build on, a writing journal, you name it, you could do whatever you like with it. So I will put a link to my coffee shop below. Check out my freebies over there as well, and yeah, so if you have any questions about these, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.